Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 6th, 2025, and we're diving into Stanley Black Decker's recently released fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Stanley Black Decker, a leader in tools and outdoor products, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Stanley Black Decker reported fourth quarter revenues of $3.7 billion, which is flat compared to last year. However, they achieved a 3% organic growth. John, can you elaborate on this?
Absolutely. The flat revenue is primarily due to the offsetting effects of infrastructure divestiture and currency fluctuations. However, the 3% organic growth is a positive sign, driven by strong performance in DeWalt and aerospace fasteners. The gross margin also improved to 30.8%, up 120 basis points from the previous year, thanks to their global cost reduction program.
And what about their earnings per share?
They reported an adjusted EPS of 49 cents, which is a significant beat against the forecasted 128 by analysts. This indicates strong operational efficiency and cost management.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, Stanley Black Decker has been focusing on operational efficiencies. How has this impacted their financials?
Their focus on operational efficiencies has paid off, with a free cash flow of $565 million in the fourth quarter, which supported a $1.1 billion debt reduction for the year. Looking ahead, they have set a 2025 adjusted EPS guidance of $5.25, indicating confidence in their strategic initiatives and cost management.
That's impressive. What are their plans for 2025?
They plan to continue their cost reduction program, aiming for $2 billion in pre-tax run rate cost savings by the end of 2025. This includes supply chain transformation and operational excellence to drive margin expansion and support growth investments.
Strategic initiatives and market positioning. Let's talk about their strategic initiatives. How is Stanley Black Decker positioning itself in the market?
They're focusing on innovation, electrification, and global market penetration to achieve mid-single-digit organic revenue growth. The tools and outdoor segment saw a 2% increase, driven by DeWalt's growth and a strong holiday season. However, the industrial segment faced challenges, with a 15% decline due to divestitures and currency impacts.
How are they addressing these challenges?
They're investing in initiatives that directly impact customers and end users, aiming to streamline operations and improve inventory management. This should help them capture market share and improve margins in the long term.
CEO and CFO insights. John, what insights did the CEO and CFO provide regarding their financial results and future prospects?
CEO Donald Allen Jr. emphasized their achievements in margin expansion and cash flow generation, highlighting the growth in DeWalt and engineered fastening. CFO Patrick Hallinan discussed their target of achieving a 35+% adjusted gross margin and their plans to mitigate the impact of tariffs through supply chain and pricing actions.
It seems like they have a clear strategy moving forward.
Indeed, they are focused on delivering margin expansion, cash generation, and restoring balance sheet strength, which positions them well for long-term growth and value creation.
Key takeaways. In summary, Stanley Black Decker has delivered a strong performance in the fourth quarter of 2024, with significant improvements in profitability and cash flow. Their strategic focus on operational efficiencies and market positioning is evident in their results. John, any final thoughts?
Stanley Black Decker is well positioned for future growth, with a solid plan to enhance margins and cash flow. Their proactive approach to managing costs and investing in innovation should continue to drive shareholder value.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Stanley Black Decker's performance in the comments below.